In this tutorial I will show you how to fix the error message where it says something went wrong when you were using My Eye on the Snapchat app. To fix that issue, first make sure you have updated your Snapchat app to the latest version. Then open your Snapchat app and tap on the profile icon on the top left. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and find the Clear Data option. Now tap on Clear My Eye Data. This will clear the data and conversations with the chatbot and should fix your problem. Then restart the app and check whether your issue has been fixed. I will show you one more way to fix your issue. Now go to your home screen, then tap and hold the Snapchat app. And tap on this icon here. Go to Storage. Then tap on Manage Storage. And tap Delete. And hopefully your issue will be solved.